Hello students, we have started national income and in this chapter now the term is of aggregates related to national income. Aggregates means a separate term which are collaboratively used with national income. These aggregates are GDP at MP, GDP at FC, NDP at MP, NDP at FC, GNP at MP, GNP at FC, and NNP at MP, NNP at FC. As I told you earlier about MP and FC, market price and factor cost. Market price means that includes the taxes by the government, and FC is cost which does not include the taxes. These are cost of producing the production. Now we will study these in detail. First is gross domestic product at market price, GDP at MP. Gross domestic product is the market value of all the goods and services that are produced by the producers within the territory of a country in an accounting period. Gross domestic product जो है वो मार्केट वैल्यू होती है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज का जो प्रोड्यूसर्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं विद इन द डोमेस्टिक टेरिटरी ऑफ अ कंट्री एक अकाउंटिंग पीरियड के अंदर. जीडीपी इंक्लूड्स द वैल्यू ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. Second term is net domestic product at market price, NDP at MP. Definition of NDP at MP is similar as GDP at MP. The difference is of depreciation only. NDP at MP does not include depreciation because it is a net concept. Now question is how to calculate NDP at MP. We must minus the depreciation from GDP at MP. Then we will get NDP at market price. Third is gross national product at market price. Gross national product at market price is sum total of gross domestic product at market price and net factor income from abroad, NFIA. If we want to convert GDP into GNP, difference is of N only. D can be converted into N concept by adding net factor income from abroad. Then GDP at market price, we will add net factor income from abroad. Then we will get GNP at market price. Net national product at market price, NNP at MP. Net national product at market price is sum total of net domestic product at market price and net factor income from abroad. If we want to calculate NNP at MP, we will have to add net factor income from abroad in NDP at MP. Then we will get NNP at MP. Gross domestic product at factor cost. GDP at factor cost is sum total of factor cost incurred on the production of final goods and services within the domestic territory. GDP at FC also include depreciation. With income method, we used to calculate NDP at FC as compensation plus rent plus interest plus profit. That is NDP at FC. When we add depreciation, then that will be converted into GDP at factor cost. Now next is net domestic product at factor cost. Net domestic product at factor cost, this is also called net domestic income. Net domestic product at factor cost is sum total of factor cost incurred on the production of final goods and services within domestic territory during an accounting period. That is also called factor cost incurred on production. जब हम बात करते हैं कि compensation of employees plus rent plus interest plus profit, इन सब को मिला के कंपनसेशन, रेंट, इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट जो है इन सब को मिला के हमारे पास जो आता है उसको हम NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट कहते हैं. NDP at फैक्टर कॉस्ट। पर कंपनसेशन रेंट इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट को जब प्लस किया जाता है तो इसको हम फैक्टर कॉस्ट इनकर्ड ऑन प्रोडक्शन भी कहते हैं। ये कंसेप्ट याद रखिएगा, कई बुक्स में ऐसा लिखा हुआ होता है फैक्टर कॉस्ट इनकर्ड ऑन प्रोडक्शन, तो इसका मतलब होता है कंपनसेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़, रेंट, इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट, जिसको हम NDP at FC भी कहते हैं। Now, GDP at FC, the gross domestic product at factor cost, can be converted into NDP at FC, and NDP at FC can also be converted into GDP at FC. GDP at FC will be calculated as NDP at FC plus depreciation, and NDP at FC will be calculated as GDP at factor cost minus depreciation. Gross national product at factor cost, GNP at FC. Gross national product at factor cost is sum total of gross domestic product at factor cost and net factor income from abroad. How can we calculate the GNP at FC? We will add net factor income from abroad into GDP at FC, then that is GNP at FC. Net national product at factor cost, net national product at factor cost, यानी NNP at FC. NNP at FC is also known as national income, which can also be denoted by Y sign. Net national product at factor cost is sum total of net domestic product at factor cost and net factor income from abroad. We will calculate NNP at FC as NDP at FC plus net factor income from abroad. This is the first formula. NDP at FC is equal to, as we already know, compensation of employees, rent, profit and interest. Then NNP at FC is equal to compensation of employees plus rent plus interest plus profit plus net factor income from abroad. बिकॉज NDP at FC उसमें नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड नहीं होता, वो डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट होती है। जब डोमेस्टिक को नेट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, NNP at FC करते हैं, तो हमें नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड ऐड करना पड़ता है।